How to change paper size in Word app from your mobile. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So let us begin. First of all, make sure that you've installed your Microsoft Word in your mobile. Now this works for iPhone as well as Android, so the device you use does not really matter. So simply download the app and open it up. After you open it up, just open up a blank document. After you open up a blank document, you will see an option that says A and a pen like icon. Tap on that. After you tap on that, you will see a bunch of settings and formats open up. Now right here you will see your highlight color, font color, and so much more, but we don't really want any of this. You will see the home button here with the drag down button. Tap on it and you will see much more options there. Now tap on layout. Now from here you will be able to maintain your margins, your orientation, the size, your columns, and even breaks. Now we'll need to go to size, and right there you will see the size of your paper. So initially by default it's on letter. Now you can change it to A3, A4, A5, and so much more. So let us just change it to A4. Tap on it and you're basically done. Now this paper is on A4. Now this is the size right here. You can again change it back if you want to by just tapping on the A icon, going to home, tapping on layout, and going on size. So yeah, that is basically how you do it guys, and that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you a lot.